Hi, this is Dr. Rohan Fonseca, and in today's video, what precautions should you be taking to protect yourself from COVID-19? Do stick around till the end because I am going to give you a bonus tip. To understand what precautions you should be taking, you should understand how the disease is transmitted from person to person. The disease is transmitted through droplet infection and aerosol spread. The chances of you catching the disease is directly proportional to the viral load in the air around you. If you would like some more in-depth information on the coronavirus, I'll be putting up a couple of links over here. Do click them. The first and foremost thing you should be doing is wearing a face mask. This not only reduces the risk of you getting the disease, but in case you are already having the disease and are not symptomatic, it prevents you from spreading the disease to other people who could be more vulnerable. Remember, the face mask is known as the vaccine before the vaccine. Ensure that the face mask covers your mouth and your nose and is not halfway in between. You should be washing your hands more often with soap, and when soap is not available, carry a hand sanitizer along and use it as much as possible. The hand sanitizer has to be alcohol based. Practice social distancing. Social distancing meaning always ensure there is a distance of at least 1 meter between you and another person who is around you. This is so that to minimize the risk of transmission of the disease. Avoid crowded areas as much as possible. Venture outside only for the bare necessities. Avoid visiting people at their homes and avoid gatherings. This is especially true now since we are coming up to the festive season. This festive season, I believe, is going to be very drab, but it has to be so as to ensure your own safety and the safety of your friends and family. Avoid touching your face, nose and mouth with your hands. This is because your hands might have mistakenly come in contact with some surface which might already have a virus on it. If you get a fever, cough, cold, please self-quarantine yourself. Stay at home until you get better. If your fever, cough, cold is not getting better and you are feeling breathless, please contact your local health authority immediately. And now for the bonus tip, get your vitamin D levels checked. It's got a pivotal role in improving your immunity. I have got more information on vitamin D levels. I'll put the link over here. Do click it and check it out. Also, if you'd like to get your vitamin D levels checked, I'll be putting the contact numbers of Dr. Fonseca's pathology laboratories in the description. I hope that was helpful. Do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And until next time, signing out, Dr. Rohan Fonseca.